For numbers 6 and 7, to simplify, you need to factor the top and the bottom and reduce whenever possible. So factoring on the numerator for number 6, I'm going to have n and n. I need factors of negative 20. Since it's a negative, they need to be opposite sign, like negative 4 and 5, negative 5 and 4. When I combine these, I need a negative 1. So I need the negative 5 and positive 4, so n minus 5 and n plus 4 for the numerator. On the denominator, I have the difference of squares, so I need to factor this. Remember, there's no middle term here, so one needs to be plus and one needs to be minus, and they need to be identical. So it's going to be n plus 4 and n minus 4. Now that we have both the numerator and the denominator factored, we're going to reduce. The n plus 4 here on the numerator and the denominator can cancel. And then my answer will be n minus 5 over n minus 4 for number 6. Number 7 is worked pretty much the same way. I'm going to factor on the top. Now, it's not the normal kind of factoring. I noticed that both of these have x's in them, so I'm going to take the maximum amount out that I can. And when you're factoring out, it's always the lower exponent that you will take out. You cannot take more than they have here. So I'm going to factor out x squared. That means I'm going to divide it out of each piece. So I'm going to divide x cubed by x squared, and I'm left with x minus, if I'm dividing negative 3x squared by x squared, I'm left with negative 3, so the minus and then 3. On the denominator, I need to factor this. It's the difference of squares again, so factoring that's going to be x plus 3 and x minus 3. The numerator has an x minus 3, can cancel with the denominator, and we will get x squared for the numerator and x plus 3 for the denominator. And that is as much as it can simplify for the answer.